Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing one topic that is related to the earthquakes, and that is connecting to the currencies. In currencies, basically say that basically each and every currencies basically are dependent. Same way, basically each and every planets basically are dependent also. That also we can say basically. One person actually told asked the question basically. Earth planet basically lots of people basically who are basically creating in the cities, creating the countries, basically they say that basically we are basically reached up to universe basically, and we are basically going to create ourselves as an asset basically. Asset means basically you can just understand basically. Asset means asset basically what means value of the particular planet basically, that also you can say up to what level value basically, that also we can say. So here one person told that basically the earth planet is going to become asset basically, right? So he told that basically okay asset, okay asset. Now basically he told that each and every uh, now basically one person told that basically earth planet basically is going to become asset. Basically how you can say that basically this can convert to asset? Then he told that basically if we can control the set of planets basically, then basically earth planet basically mostly can become the asset basically. Then he told that basically how basically. Then he told that if we create for example he told that tomato basically is good for heart and head. Then he told that yes basically exactly. Then he told that if we can create tomato vegetables planet basically and create 3 lakh planets and place in certain location basically, and the planet basically will attract and the people is going to place there, and then basically the story is going to activate, the energy basically starts the process, right? This basically we have already discussed. So here basically we are discussing that from tomato energy, whenever they are going to access that time basically their head and their heart basically is going to connect with from these planets. So earth planet basically controlled 5 crore planets heart and head basically. Like this basically the earth planet person basically told that basically like this basically we can create each and every body parts planets basically, and then basically we can place into certain location, and then basically the attraction happen, then basically the entire body basically parts will is going to get control from the earth planet basically. So from earth planet 5 crore people's each and every parts of the body basically can get control. Then he told that yes like this basically the earth planet will become asset basically, and then basically if any disease will come there, then we are only basically going to create the data and then going to send the data. For in this basically the mediator will be satellites. Like this he told that exactly basically. So one person asked the question basically, we are also here basically having body, we are also basically having head, we are also having leg. So somebody is passing basically data from here to here also basically wrote it. Exactly basically. So he told that basically somebody is basically passing the data of the head, like this basically each and every body parts. They have basically already passed the data, and our body parts are already created. They are keep updating the data basically are getting basically. Nuclear power company gets the data, data are basically getting passed. Like this basically things are basically getting created, right? So he told that basically if by chance we get some disease basically where the medicine basically are not basically able to track, then basically then he told that basically only basically there is one option basically, try to find out the antibiotic and keeps doing the experiment, keep doing the experiment, just see basically what I am telling you, just keeps doing the experiment. A plus B equal to C, C plus D equal to, D is government data, A plus B equal to C, That is basically the normal formula in the books basically, right? That experiment is done. Now C plus D, that is government data, will come, plus E, that is the satellite data, will come. F equal to universe data will come. This entire data basically, when it will get merged basically, then the medicine will get created basically. Then the medicine will gets created. So here basically one person told that basically, that means satellite group basically know basically, right, that where basically each and every R&D centers are there of the medicines. Exactly, they basically know each and everything basically of the each and every data basically, because the R&D center are very dangerous na basically. It's very critical basically. If any wrong data will get generate basically, wrong data mostly will never get generate. Reason, activation basically always are basically with satellite group. So mostly basically without satellite group the activation never ever happens basically. That's why government also basically keeps his formula also. Nuclear power company also keeps their formula in the activation. Like this, the process is so fast that basically you will never able to track that basically. That how fast the basically process happened, and the formula basically got success. So here basically what we taught, we basically got in this video basically, that we basically Earth planet basically can become asset. Asset means each and every body parts of that 5 crore people basically can be controlled from the creation of the human needs, and the set of user stories basically which is going to generate from the 900 crore people. User stories can be anything, that is user stories basically the ideas basically. That means 900 crore people basically are controlled by the group basically. They know basically that which idea basically they are going to produce. So just see basically the things basically, just see basically the things basically. They know basically the idea which is going to generate in the potato energy, and the potato energy is going to create into the potato planets basically. So they basically know. So like this basically same way Earth planet basically is also basically mostly getting controlled by the set of groups basically, and that is very dangerous. That is basically very dangerous. So so same way basically Earth planet is also basically getting controlled. Same way Earth planet are also basically getting controlled by. So here basically one person told that basically same way that you given the example of the 5 lakh planets. Yeah, basically 5 lakh planet. Assume that basically the corona basically came from that 5 lakh planet basically. We tracked the antibiotic. 5 crore planet basically was tracked. Antibiotic was done. We placed our people there also basically, and then basically the process started. Corona city also basically got created. Corona antibiotic city also got created. Like this basically it's connected to that 5 lakh planets basically. The Corona city is connected to that 5 lakh planet basically. Corona city means Corona antibiotic city. That basically you have to create. Without that basically it can't be processed. So mostly basically it's a healthcare department responsibility. So they basically are very 100% perfect planner basically. So they always basically ahead basically of the plan basically. So 5 lakh planet basically is mapped. So here basically one person told that basically how basically we can track here that 5 lakh planet basically. That basically question actually one person asked that actually Earth planet people basically can't able to track basically. That is basically only the satellite group only basically can track that. These are the 5 lakh planet basically from where the corona basically came. And we found the antibiotic also basically corona cities created. That data is basically getting exchanged. So like this basically the creation happened basically. Same way basically each and everything basically is connected this way only basically. This is a simple formula basically. The tomato and potato example is the best basically. If anybody can understand this formula, then basically he will, if he can do this practically, then basically he is the most richest person, top 10 richest person in the world basically. But for that basically you need to spend lots of things basically. In next video we are going to see a little bit more about this.